Yo, what's up mga par? I'll make in this short video regarding to the new MMORPG to be released. No? By the way, Pectus Gaming back for fun because finally, Fly Philippines is here and will shortly begin a closed beta test this coming July 22, 2024. So mark your calendar, set the alarm of your phone dahil bukas na po yan. Bukas Monday at exactly 6 PM. So tara, samahan niyo ako sa panibagong journey ni Pectus Gaming. Yo! You are all welcome to join the CBT test and experience the nostalgic server. So, and we will receive some precious reward after CBT and in addition lang mga tol, no? Sa mga hindi pa aware, sa mga hindi pa masyado nakapag-visit masyado kay Fly Philippines. Fly Philippines is not just a PvP server like instant max level or yung mga fashion, pets, cloak, mga upgrading mods like Awake, Dice, Orichalcum, or Moonstone, or whatsoever, no? Yung mga nabibili lang sa NPC, yung mga bigla, mga instant, yung mga ganyan. So, Fly Philippines is a classic server, a nostalgic server. Remembering way back 2005 when Fly for Fun released, no? The Clockworks War, the Guild Sage, the party system, guild system, yung mga, ano ba yun, couple, mentorship, no? Fly Philippines is exactly the same as Fly for Fun Online. Although may mga changes siguro, like they are offering auto top-up system. Auto top-up system is you can directly top up in-game using your GCash account, Paymaya, PayPal, so whatsoever yung ginagamit yung pang banking system. No? And the second one is the Battle Pass system. So Battle Pass system, I think it's a premium service, 1 month premium service, VIP service. Well, I think makaka-receive tayo ng reward, daily reward or items, or siguro at the end of the month may ma-receive na fashion, pets, ganyan. So, mga iba yung mga MOBA games, mga battle pass, may ma-receive na magandang items at the end of the month kapag nag-top up ka, kapag ginamit mo yung battle pass system. And ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko kay Fly Philippines, the CAPTCHA system. CAPTCHA system is to eliminate alt players and bots. Isa sa mga hinahanap-hanap natin sa isang server, lalong-lalo na kapag gantong server, is yung walang bot. So, yun. Well, if you've been looking for a better server, with high standard RMTs, active GM and stuff, 24/7, a server with no bias gaming, no monkey business, no insertion items, and most importantly, a balanced server that you can play and earn a lot. No? This is the server for you guys. This is what we've been waiting for so long. Puta, in English yan kasi. So, what are you waiting for, no? Ready yourself, gather your team, and experience the most enjoyable moment and fun. So, yun lang guys. Once again, Pectus Gaming. Kita-kits tayo sa Monday, 6 PM. Once again, having good luck and fun. See ya.